This proposal to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police outlines the creation of a specialized fast vehicle response unit. This unit will focus on rapid response to transportation disruptions and immediate crowd control. By addressing these issues efficiently, the unit aims to ensure public safety and reduce response times. The Fast Vehicle Response Unit will operate around the clock, providing continuous coverage. It will be equipped to handle blocked highways and manage unruly crowds at any time, ensuring swift and effective action. Doctrine and standard operating procedures. The proposed RCMP Rapid Response Unit is designed to provide swift and effective intervention in situations involving transport disruptions and crowd control. The unit's main goals are to restore order, ensure public safety, and reduce the impact of disruptions on the community. Operating under principles of rapid deployment, high mobility, and specialized training, the Rapid Response Unit will adhere to established standard operating procedures. Activation and deployment. The proposed Rapid Response Unit would be activated upon receiving a high-priority call related to transport disruptions or crowd control incidents. Personnel would need to be ready to deploy within 5 minutes of activation. Vehicles would be prepped and equipped with the necessary gear, ensuring a swift and efficient response. Let's talk about the equipment and vehicles. Starting with motorcycles, we propose high-performance models like the BMW R1250 RT and Yamaha FJR 1300. These will be equipped with sirens, communication devices, and emergency lights. These choices are due to the standard RCMP vehicles being hindered by transport disruptions. Moving on to sports cars, we suggest agile, high-speed vehicles such as the Porsche 911 and Audi R8. These will also feature sirens, communication devices, and emergency lights. The selection of these cars is also influenced by the transport disruptions affecting standard RCMP vehicles. Finally, regarding gear, all personnel will carry standard police equipment, including non-lethal crowd control tools like tasers and pepper spray. Effective communication and coordination are essential for the success of the proposed Rapid Response Unit for the RCMP. The proposal recommends using secure radio channels for internal communication, ensuring reliability and confidentiality within the RRU. For external coordination, direct communication with central dispatch and other emergency services is crucial, enabling seamless collaboration and swift response times. This ensures that the Rapid Response Unit can operate efficiently and effectively in any situation. Response Protocol Proposal. Initial assessment. Upon arrival, conduct a swift assessment of the situation. Containment. Establish a secure perimeter to manage the disruption and prevent escalation. Engagement. Utilize non-lethal measures to disperse crowds or clear transport blockages. Resolution. Collaborate with additional police units and emergency services to restore normalcy and ensure safety. Training is a cornerstone of our proposal. Regular monthly drills simulate a variety of scenarios, ensuring our officers are prepared for any situation. Specialized training focuses on high-speed driving, crowd control tactics, and crisis negotiation. This comprehensive approach aims to enhance the RCMP's overall preparedness. Idealized vehicle use case scenario. Edmonton, Alberta, on a warm summer night in 2028. A flash mob of unruly rioters blocks a major highway, causing a significant traffic jam. Traffic comes to a standstill, putting public safety at risk. The proposed RCMP Rapid Response Unit would be activated to restore order and clear the blockage. The RRU would be alerted at 10 p.m. Within 5 minutes, the team would be ready to deploy. 2 BMW R1250 RT motorcycles and 2 Porsche 911 sports cars would be dispatched. The RRU would arrive on the scene within 10 minutes. Upon arrival, the RRU would conduct a rapid assessment of the situation. The rioters would be blocking all lanes of the highway. Motorcycles would establish a perimeter to prevent further escalation. The Porsche 911 sports cars would access the highway by entering an off-ramp the wrong way, closest to the blockage. They would approach from behind the traffic blockers, positioning themselves for visibility and rapid intervention. Using sirens and loudspeakers, the RRU would order the rioters to disperse. Non-lethal tools, like pepper spray, would be used to manage the crowd. Additional police units would arrive to assist in the operation. The highway would be cleared within 30 minutes, restoring normal traffic flow. Outcome. The proposed rapid response of the RRU aims to minimize disruption and maintain public safety. Our objective is to resolve incidents with minimal injuries and property damage. By establishing the RCMP Rapid Response Unit, we enhance our ability to address urgent transport disruptions and crowd control situations swiftly and efficiently, ensuring the safety and security of the community.